How good is this? What an amazing cubby you guys have built.
Here, we've got some fruit skewers. Doesn't it kind of look like our cubby?
That is incredible plating design. I think maybe a little bit inspired.
So, how are we going to build this thing?
Right, well, we've got to work out how we can turn these sticks into a really lovely, safe structure. Some of those bigger sticks, the 3 straightest and biggest ones, if we attach them together, make them like a tripod, nice and stable. Then we're going to use that rope, really good knots, pull it really tight so they're not going anywhere.
Okay, great.
All right. Oh, they look like beauties. You can do it.
There we go.
Hey, Xavier.
What?
What's brown and sticky?
Maybe a stick?
Oh, how'd you know?
Oh, that looks great, you guys. Great stick choice. So this is going to be our door, is it? We're going this way. All right, well, I reckon you're going to have to secure this to this. Do you want to have a go at some knots?
Sure.
I'm going to do a shoelace, but I'm going to do it with double string. So I'm going to fold it over like that. And then I just do my shoelace, all right? Imagine like there, and I'm going to tie that knot, and then I get a loop out the end. All right, over to you. That's it.
Through the middle.
Yeah!
There we go.
That looks pretty strong to me. I'm going to go over the top. Every single one gets tight pull. That's it.
It looks pretty good.
So that knot's done.
I officially declare this structure safe.
So good. I mean, thanks. Thanks.
So, should we get planting?
Let's get planning.
My favourite bit. Dinosaur bones. Give it a little squeeze. You ready? Got it! Oh, nice one. Oh, look at those good roots.
Wow, lots of roots.
Lots of roots. Gentle, gentle.
Trying. Our snow peas.
Okay. Give him a good drink. Not yet, she.